Hi, I'm Matt Norman with MarineMax Clearwater. Today I have the pleasure of walking you through a brand new arrival here to our showroom. It's a 2021 NauticStar 193 SC. We'll start here at the transom. And I really forget that we're only on a 19.5-foot boat because I have so much room either on the starboard side with my boarding ladder that gets concealed by a hatch, or on the port side where I have plenty of non-skid to jump in and out of the water or board the boat. We're also featuring a Yamaha 115 power plant. It's going to get excellent fuel economy. It's going to get plenty of hole shot if you are a water sports enthusiast. If you have some kids that want to do some tubing, some wakeboarding, some kneeboarding, we got your tow point right here. And again, starting here in the back, we're going to have a really nice egress into the cockpit. Just one nice little step down, one nice step down. You got sure footing under you. Again, it makes it really easy whether you're 8 or 80 to board this boat. And then I just wanted to pan out and notice the wraparound L-shaped seating with storage everywhere. So we got a full removable cockpit table to set up a little picnic right here. You got plenty of storage in under the back seat cushion as well. Again, everybody's got a bag. You want a place to put everything in the boat. You got storage everywhere you could think of. NauticStar's done a great job with usable space. I'm gonna move forward to the pilot seat, and it's everything that you'd expect out of a dual console. You have all of your gauges right here for your engine control. You got your SIMRAD, GPS, chart plotter, and depth sounder combo unit. You have audio control right at your fingertips as well. A nice little footrest. You know, I'm gonna model this for you guys so you can see. Again, they mold this little footrest in here, so as a captain, I can really get into a comfortable position. The binnacle, the throttle is exactly where I want it. They even put in a convenient little cup holder right here for the captain and a couple USB charging points. As we move forward, hitting on the storage theme, you got a nice ski locker, or again, anything you need to put in here that's bulkier, that's longer. You got a great spot for it. It's not going to move around. It's concealed completely out of the way. They've even wrapped in a spot to put a little igloo removable cooler. So if you're going to the beach, to the sandbar, you have a cooler to take the party out of the boat. It's not a true deck boat without spacious bow seating, and I'm telling you guys, this is a lot for a 19-foot boat. You got plenty of leg room to stretch out. You got cup holders where you want them. You got grab handles where you need them. Another built-in storage spot right here. This drains. This can be a cooler. So again, we don't even have to go to the back of the boat. If the party's up front, we can just grab a refreshment right within arm's reach. And then all the way in the front, again, this is something nobody else in the sport boat space is doing. They've included a very functional forward elevated deck and a boarding ladder here. So here in the Tampa area, we have plenty of white sand beaches on barrier islands to go boating to. We can put this boat right on the beach, and we can fold this ladder down, and we can get right onto the beach without even ever having to get in the water. On a December day like today, that's actually really appreciated when the water temps are in the 60s for us true Floridians. But I mean, just a great use of space. A dedicated anchor locker here makes docking the boat, getting in and out of the boat, even if you wanted to do some fishing, it just makes for a really great platform, and you don't lose any of the seating that you come to expect out of a sport boat. Lastly, I do want to highlight our Spacious Bimini top, and this is not your old school Bimini top. This is all aluminum and stainless hardware. There are no straps to rattle. This top is solid. It is going to last the lifetime of the boat. Guys, it's going to pack in all the shade you need on a hot summer day here in Florida, and it can also be removed or collapsed when you want to have full sun. Again, guys, this is Matt Norman with MarineMax Clearwater. This is the NauticStar 193 SC. You owe it to yourself to see it in person, and we will see you on the water.